హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి ఫర్ మోర్ అప్కమింగ్ వీడియోస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఇన్ this class we are to learn about the topic trigonometric function. In IBA General topic where is 11 marks. In this we have to learn about some important formulas in this topic. That is sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here plus, then this is also plus, and sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here minus, and this is also minus, and cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Here in cos term, then here plus, then here minus, here minus, then here plus. Please observe. And tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. And tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Here plus, then numerator plus and denominator minus. Here minus, then numerator minus, denominator plus. Please observe. And cot a plus b equal to cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. And cot a minus b equal to cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Here cot in case of cos, cot, then numerator here plus, then numerator is minus and denominator is plus. And in place of cot a minus b, here minus sign, then numerator is plus and denominator is minus. Please observe. And sin a plus b into sin a minus b equal to sin square a minus sin square b equal to cos square b minus cos square a. Here both side, then here also sin, and here cos. Sin a plus b equal to into sin a minus b equal to sin square a minus sin square b equal to cos square b minus cos square a. And in place of cos a plus b into cos a minus b, here cos square a minus sin square b. Here one is cos, second one is sin. Please observe. Cos square a minus sin square b equal to cos square b minus sin square a. Please note down.